Hey everybody, this is Tom with TomKat Restoration. The house right behind me paid $10,000 for James Hardie siding, fascia, gutters, downspouts, and Versetta stone. I'll let you know how they did that, but first, like and subscribe to my channel. We got a call for a James Hardie fiber cement siding estimate, and we went to the property in Mount Prospect and realized it was aluminum. And we realized Mount Prospect had a storm, and lo and behold, we found plenty of hail damage on the siding. But what we didn't know is the homeowner had already filed a claim, and they received a roof through the insurance, but not siding. We reopened the claim and got everything else approved. All they had to do was upgrade to get the James Hardie and Versetta stone. So it cost them $10,000 out of pocket for this beautiful new look. We can do the same for you. Give us a call and we'll give you a free inspection.